What if I told you that someone out there built an AI system that costs $0 to run? A system that works completely on autopilot to create and publish viral videos and has already made over 1,000 of them. I'm not kidding. I've dug into this, and it's real. No paid APIs, no team, no complex coding, just a single, one-time setup by one brilliant creator. And today, I'm going to tell you the story of how he did it. We've all seen these videos flooding our feeds, right? The simple, quote-based videos that somehow rack up thousands, sometimes millions of views. There are entire channels with over 95,000 followers built on this exact style. Now, most people would see that and think, that's a lot of work. But this creator saw a different possibility. He asked, what if you could automate it? What if you could build a workflow just once, and then let an AI do all the work for you, day in and day out, growing a channel on its own? Well, that's exactly what he built. And the most incredible part? He built it using a no-code automation tool. This means you don't need to be a software engineer to understand this. If you can drag and drop, you can follow the genius of his method. So stick with me, because following the story of this AI agent is one of the most eye-opening things you'll see. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a blueprint for the future of content creation. Let's get into the mind of the person who built it. So, how on earth did he make this all possible for $0? This is the foundational genius of his entire operation. The system's brain doesn't live on an expensive cloud server. It runs right on his own computer. He built the entire system inside a tool called N8N, but instead of paying for a subscription, he runs it locally using something called Docker. For anyone who hasn't heard of it, Docker allows you to run applications in self-contained environments on your machine. The setup is stunningly simple. He would have just gone to the Docker website, downloaded their app, and then pulled the official N8N application from the Docker hub. With a single click of a run button, it's live. Docker then creates a small, private virtual server on his computer and gives him a local web link. Clicking that link opens a fresh, powerful N8N dashboard that only he can access. This is the secret sauce. Because it's running on his own machine, it's completely free. He could register an account for his local setup, and that's it. He instantly had a command center for his AI agent that cost nothing to operate, no matter if it makes 10 videos or 10,000. Okay, so he built a free engine, but an engine needs fuel. In this case, the fuel is the content itself. Background videos, music, and the quotes for the videos. This is where his knack for organization comes in. He structured it all within a simple Google Sheet. Let me walk you through his setup because it's brilliant. First is the video pool. This sheet is just a long list of URLs. Each URL points to a copyright-free stock video. Think of beautiful landscapes, drone footage, abstract animations, anything that can serve as a compelling background. Second, he created a music pool. It's the same principle, but for audio. He filled this sheet with links to royalty-free music, likely sourced from places like the YouTube audio library. He could specifically find tracks that require no attribution, grab the link, and just drop it into his sheet. Just like that, his AI agent had a whole library of soundtrack. And third, the nerve center of the operation, the video logs sheet. This part is critical. It contains two columns, one for the video title that will appear on YouTube, and one for the video transcript, which is the actual quote that gets displayed in the video. This single Google Sheet became his entire content database. The AI agent he built was designed to read from here, grab the assets it needs, and know exactly what video it was supposed to make next. Now, this is the part that would stop most people. How do you come up with thousands of unique quotes and titles? He didn't. He had an AI do it for him, for free. He used an AI called DeepSeek. He could feed it a simple prompt, and the AI would instantly generate a massive, perfectly formatted list of unique video titles and matching motivational quotes. From there, it was a simple, elegant step. He would copy the entire output from the AI and paste it directly into his video logs Google Sheet, using a special paste function to keep the formatting clean. In a matter of minutes, he had hundreds of video ideas locked, loaded, and ready for production. All the raw materials were in place. But he even added a bonus layer of automation for a truly hands-off system. He built a secondary workflow that uses an AI language model to automatically dream up new quotes and add them to the Google Sheet every single day on a set schedule. This means the system never runs out of ideas. It not only creates the videos, but also generates its own source material. It's a completely self-sustaining content machine. This is where you can see the mind of a true automator at work. He had the engine and the content factory. This is the story of the assembly line he built in N8N that puts it all together. His workflow kicks off on a schedule. He could set it to run once a day at 6:30 p.m. or every single hour. When it triggered, it would execute a flawless sequence of commands. First, it connects to his Google Sheet and gets a list of all the background videos and music tracks that are available. To ensure variety, it uses a bit of code to randomly select one video file and one music file from the pools he created. This ensures every video is a fresh combination. Next, it moves to the video log sheet and pulls the very next quote in the queue that hasn't been turned into a video yet. Now the system has its three key ingredients: a random video clip, a random music track, and a unique text quote. It then sends these three elements to a command-like engine called FFmpeg, which acts as the automated video editor. This tool layers the quote as text onto the video, adds a transparent black background for readability, mixes in the music, and formats the entire project as a perfect 9:16 vertical video. The video is now fully generated and saved to his local computer. But the automation doesn't stop there. The system then authenticates with his YouTube account using credentials he set up one time in the Google Cloud Console. It then uploads the finished video file directly to his channel without him ever needing to click a button. And here's the final stroke of genius that completes the loop. After the upload is successful, the workflow revisits his Google Sheet. It finds the row for the quote it just used and updates the status to success, so the system knows not to use it again. Then, it pastes in the new YouTube link, creating a perfect record of every video it has ever posted. To top it all off, he runs a final command to delete the video file from his computer, keeping everything clean and saving hard drive space. The entire cycle, from idea to creation to upload to cleanup, is complete. It's a process that would run again the next day and the day after that, creating a massive content library for him while he was sleeping, working, or doing anything else. That is the story of how one person put over 1,000 videos on autopilot. This system is just incredible. It's a testament to what's possible when you combine free tools with a bit of ingenuity. And this is about more than just one guy making videos. It's a look into the future of automated content creation. It's about learning the skills of AI automation. For those of you who are inspired by this story and want to try building a system like the one he made, I've gathered the resources. I've found the templates, the prompts, and the step-by-step instructions he shared, and I've put them all in one place for you. You can literally import the workflow template and get started today. The link for all of that is in the description below. So tell me in the comments, what's the most impressive automation you've ever seen? I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for letting me share this story with you. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into incredible AI systems, and I'll see you in the next one.